Hi everyone. So today we will learn two tricks to make multiplication of 9 easy. So the first trick is very easy and fastest if you are using it to multiply table of 9. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's look at our first trick. So what we need to do is first write down the table. So we do 9 into 1, 9 into 2, 9 by 3, 9 into 4, 9 into 5 and up to 9 into 10. We do not write the answers yes of yet. Now against what we've just written, we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9 the same way as I've just shown here. Now we will do it reverse. So where we've got 0, we will put 9 against it. Where we've got 1, we will put 8. Where we've got 2, we will put 7. So we start in reverse in the second column. We start by putting 9 at the top and 0 at the bottom, and we finish at the 0 at the bottom. So our numbers and the answer are right against what we've just written as our table. So 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So we have our answer against the table that we had written first. So 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 7, 63. 9 into 8, 72. 9 into 9, 81. And 9 into 10, 90. Now if you are new to my channel, before we move on to the second trick, do subscribe to my channel, stay tuned and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when the new video comes out. So let's move on to the second trick. Now let's say we want to multiply a bigger number by 9. So what do we do? So here I've got an example here of 28 by 9. So 28 into 9 is 252. Now how do we get this 252? So what we do is here we multiply by 10. So 28 is our original number, which instead of multiplying by 9, we round it off and we multiply it by 10. So 28 into 10 will give us 280. Now because we are multiplying it by 10 instead of 9, what we need to do is minus 28 from our number which we found when we multiplied by 10. So here what we will do is 280 minus 28, which will give us our 252. This is as simple as multiplying any big numbers by 9. Now let's look at another example. In this example, we will take 43 and try to multiply this by 9. So 43, the same way we had done 28, we will do 43 into 10 instead of 43 into 9, which will give us 430. Now because we are multiplying this by 10 instead of 9, we will have to minus the original number from 430. So when we minus 430 minus 43, it will give us our total, which is 387. So 43 into 9 is 387. I hope you have all enjoyed that trick. Now let's move on and see how we can use this into our table. So simply, instead of writing 9 into 1, what I've just done is put 10 into 1. So 10 into 1 is 10, and we will just minus the 1 from this. Result is 9. Now let's do this for 10 into 2. Answer is 20. We will minus 2 of this. Result is 18. 10 into 3, we will minus, answer is 30. We will minus 3. The result is 27. 10 into 4 is 40. We will minus 4. Answer is 36. 10 into 5. The 10 multiplication of 5 is 50. Because we are multiplying by 5, let's minus 5 of 50. Answer is 45. 10 into 6, 60. Minus 6, 54. 10 into 7, 70. Minus 7, 63. 10 into 8, 80. Minus 8, 72. 10 into 9, 90. Minus 9, 81. 10 into 10 is 100. Minus 10 is 90. And if you want to do this on a bigger number, let's just say 10 into 56, 560. If we minus 56 over 560, 504. I hope you have enjoyed this trick. This is a simplest trick where you can do both the tables. So you have done the 10 tables as well as the 9 tables. Thank you for watching. I leave you here with a fun activity for you to try these methods, and do leave your comment with your answers in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video very soon. Thank you.